My locals, worth it nga ba to try this famous tempura in Dampa Seafood Macapagal? Syempre, we also had some seafood feast. Kaya naman today, let's visit Dampa. Hoy, medyo matagal na ako last na nagdampa. And today, we're going to eat at Hue Ying. First order of business is my favorite, the cheesy scallop. Ang sarap talaga nito. Next naman is the spicy squid and tausi clams. Yung clams medyo so-so lang for me, but the squid, I really like kasi sakto lang yung anghang niya and very generous also with the garlic. Then we also got in pala the crab. Yung crab, I like kasi very fresh the crab na we got. Although yung pagkaluto nila, medyo nothing special pero nadala talaga ng freshness ng crab. Ayan, and the main highlight is the huge tempura. Alam nyo ba, this is really fried to perfection. I now get the hype and surprisingly, kahit walang tempura sauce, it's very delish. Even yung mga kids nagustuhan to. And we also got in pala some lapu-lapu which okay naman yung pagkaluto. Although since we went there on the weekend, ang tagal lang nung waiting time kasi ang daming tao. Syempre, some stuffed squid as well. Anyway, I would say babalik talaga ako here for the tempura and the cheesy scallop as well. Kayo ba mga ka-locals, have you tried this?